Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday, March 13th. Let's get into it. So let's quickly scan through the market, see if we can identify any opportunities first, and then we will check out the trades from yesterday. So AUDCAD looks like a good opportunity here. Lots of sideways price movement. AUDCHF finally closed yesterday, so it didn't really close at the 880 mark that we were anticipating, but we closed slightly higher at about 920, so that was nice. Definitely a good opportunity, still lots of sideways price movement. AUDJPY, probably going to stay out of this one today. AUDNZD, yep, sure, we can probably get into this guy. Audio, yep. Nice sideways price movement. CADCHF, nice sideways price movement. We can see a couple trades yesterday. Nailed 8 pips on the way up, and then another 6 pips on the way down. CADJPY, we're going to stay out of that today. CHFJPY, going to stay out of that today. We've got a, what's it called, position? We've got a swing position on CHFJPY right now. EURAUD, that looks pretty good. Nice sideways price action here. EURCAD, another couple trades yesterday. Took the short as price came up here. And then once price closed, took the long position back up. Price ended up coming down, hoping to get into a second position. It looks like we did on here, but we actually didn't. We missed it by like a pip or so. And then ended up getting out early, and we can see price would have ended up hitting the TP anyway, so that was a bit of a overly managed position. But yeah, a shame. That would have been a good opportunity to get in about 10-15 minutes ago. EURCHF, yep. Ooh, might just get in on the sell here on EURCHF. Let's see. Euro is up across the board. Let's see, CHF, up, 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 up. Oh. You can see we got into a little buy down here. We're going to get into a nice quick sell on EURCHF right now. There we go, we got in at 96051. So we're going to put a little stop here. And I'm not totally sure what we're going to aim for as take profit yet. Maybe let's try to aim for 70 pips right now. So 8-1 will be our take profit. Let's quickly work on our pip calculator. Yeah, definitely need to get into a bit larger of a position there. Okay, so that's our position for EURCHF right now. We're in a 0.2 lot, aiming for about 7 pips for the 2. Keep on going. EURNZD, this looks like a pretty good opportunity here as well. As price comes up, we might get into a nice little sell here. Probably with the goal to aim for about 15 pips. Pips on a 0.1. Alright, so we have a limit order on EURONZD for entry of 1.77750 with a profit of 1.7 or take profit of 1.776. So I'm going to keep on going. Euro U, wow. Looks like a lot of these euro trades are right. EURUSD, just a quick Alright, so we got into another position there. Okay, some decent sideways action on GBPAUD. And some more sideways action on GBPNZD. So again, if it's nice sideways action, we're looking to add it to the list. If it looks like it's at a nice support or resistance level, we're looking to get into a position. Just to have a quick gander over, let's just make sure that today, yeah, we just had some GDP news for GBP, and then we have some 30-year bond auction at 10. So not to me, not super significant news today. We have bigger news tomorrow for unemployment, retail sales, and PPI. So shouldn't be expecting huge price swings today. But that doesn't mean prices can't steadily move in a single direction. USD, possibly look for a buy as price comes down here if it decides to drop an extra. What would that be? About 150 or 15 pips. UJ here. Probably not something we're looking at. And USDCHF, definitely something we're looking at. This is very sideways here. But he's in the middle of the range. Typically like to trade, you know, take the sells at the top of the range, take buys at the bottom of the range. Because he's here in the middle here. We're not super keen to get into a trade just yet. Okay, quickly glance over here. Gold's up about $7. That's cool. Wow, lots of sideways price action on gold. US 30 sideways, SPY sideways. Cool. We'll add all these guys as well. Big red list today, 20 things. Okay, so let's take some pictures and get out of here. Download image. So that was from yesterday. That's good. EURCAD could possibly get into another sell. AUDCHF. Let's get 5 minutes. No way. Did this actually just dump? Yeah, it's dumping. What other ones are we in? EURNZD, EURUSD. Wow. That'll be a quick, nice, profitable trade this morning if EURCHF just dumps to take profit. Lovely. Okay. See what other trades we're in first. EURNZD. Are we in these trades? Yep, we're in EURNZD, EURUSD, and EURCHF. Excellent. EURUSD 449. There we go. Based on the fact that the lowest level of resistance is down here, we might actually be trying to target too much. So we might be just trying to target 70 pips instead. That seems a bit more reasonable. USD 7 pips on 0.15. So at 10.5, we could go for like another 0.05. There we go. Profit is 380. ahead. Right, we got into another position on EURCAD here at 612. We'll be aiming for close to the bottom of the range here, so about 70 pips. So 542. There we go. All right. So we're in this EURCAD position, in this EURCHF position, we're in this EURNZD position, we're in this EURUSD position. There we go. So those are the positions we're in so far. Let's see if we can snaggle anything else. Actually, let's start adding these guys to the journal just quickly. That's a very, very quick start to the morning. Was not expecting that. March 13. EURCHF first, 0.2. I think we're aiming for 7 pips. Negative 1.4 for commissions and swaps. 4 EURCHF, EURNZD. 0.15. Aiming for, I think, 15 pips on this guy. Yep. Negative 1.05. And EURUSD, we're in at about 0.2. Aiming for, we're aiming for 10 pips. No, I think we're aiming for 7 pips. Would be negative 1.4. And then EURCAD 0.15, aiming for 7 pips as well, I believe. Yeah, and it's also negative 1.05. Cool. Okay. And then if we bring this guy back, switch screens. To our blueberry markets. There we go. So you can see the positions here. We have this first EURCHF trade. We have this EURNZD trade. We have this EURUSD trade. And let's just swap back to the 1 minute and zoom in a little bit. And then we have this EURCAD trade. And they all seem to be in profit except for the EURNZD right now. But obviously that can change. They're not. They could rebound quickly or not. And then if we look at our account history from yesterday, we took the EURCAD trade that got out early right there, the CADCHF trade. That was under leverage, so unfortunately, not under leverage, but I definitely should have gotten into that trade with a little bit more lot size. And you can see I did try to get into it with an extra 0.4, and I set the limit order at 65140, and unfortunately I think price reached a high close to that but didn't quite get there. And then the other two trades we took, the CADCHF, or yeah, the EUROCAD there. And then that was the NOS trade from the day before, and then the AUDCHF trade that closed the day before, or had closed that day but had been an open position from the 6th, then the EUROCAD as well, and this, yeah, wow. So quite a few positions closed on the 12th here. I think it averaged about 2 and a little bit % on the account. So we're going to swap back to trading view. There we go. Okay. Again, nothing here that we're anticipating. Maybe the bond auction might move stuff a little bit, but aside from that, not significant. Let's just continue to gander through here. We could look to get into a sell on AUDNZD if price comes up here. Actually, I was looking to get into the sell last night, right around this period, about 520, but I did not want to have to monitor the trade. But we see that it ended up going down nice and pretty nicely. So that would have been a nice little Asian session winner had I gotten into it, but that's fine. I find it tough trading Asian session just because the spreads are a little higher. The movements are always a bit slower, and if it doesn't close, then it's difficult for me to manage because I typically don't want to be staring at the charts. Here AUD again could also be getting into a sell here on this guy. I feel like I might want to wait for price to come up a little higher. Let's see what the zigzags. So that's 20. It's about 12. We'll get into a limit sell at 540. Pending. There we go. Looks like EURUSD has hit profit. So that is out. So we nailed quick $15 on EURUSD. Let's see, right here. Yep. So that was a nice quick one there. So if price does come up, I'm happy to get into another trade. I don't see why price should be necessarily breaking out or making big moves today, again, because there's no significant news. So I do see price just playing around a lot, and especially on these pairs that have been sideways for the last couple days, I don't expect huge trends today. That is not my anticipation. Right, go into this guy, fill him out. $14.90. There we go. That's one. They're just kind of waiting on some of the other ones. definitely need to update the record that's showing on the screen. So that was 4 wins and 1 loser from yesterday. So far we're at 1 winner today. This nice, what is this, 5 pip range could have been really nice to trade yesterday between this period of time. Just quick 1 to 2 pips, or yeah, 10 to 20 pip scalps on gold could have been nice. Oof. Okay, let's see what these guys are doing. EURCHF is coming back down. EURCAD's floating. EURNZD looks like he's going up. That's totally fine. We can look to get into another position if he starts to come up. Let's see over here. Alright. Probably adding a few too many green lines, but that's okay. Are you Euro AUD? I think, are we in that trade then? Yep, we're in Euro AUD as well. So those ones, who knows, if the Australian dollar and the Kiwi dollar are quite weak, those ones could run up, but again, we just get into additional positions. What's the, okay, so 0.2, 5444, so we're aiming for 10 pips there. Negative 1.4. Look at that, we're pretty much just completely against the euro today, which is unfortunate because it's quite bullish. Just need to get into two more euro pairs, and we've run every single one that we trade. What else do we need to short? EUROJPY and EURGBP. If we short both of those, I could see myself shorting EUROGBP if price were to come up to this 856 level very easily. EUROJPY, that one would be a bit tougher. Okay, looks like we're just kind of chilling here. Not much going on now. Now we're in our positions, we're just letting everything ride. Here's the EURCAD, they look like they're both getting pretty close to hitting their TPs, which will be nice. Unfortunately, I canceled my subscription to Epidemic Sounds, so I can no longer play the music in the background. So I might even have to take down the 2 videos I posted before, unless I renew my subscription, and I just don't feel like doing that as of yet. Let's see, are these guys getting close? EURCAD looks like he's getting... Is he out? He's not out. He's very close. Oh, no, he's not. He's like 2 pips away. EURCHF is a little more than 2 pips away. Alright. I'm just going to leave that. Quick gander through here again. GBPNZD could look to get into a sell as price comes up here. I think I mentioned that right about here. Aiming for the bottom of the range here, so maybe about 200, 200. There we go. There's no limit order for that yet. Just paying attention. Okay. Feel like I'm bored now and I'm staring at these charts too much, so I'm gonna leave this guy. I don't know which one I want to leave on. You know what, I could just leave this guy on. TV. Swap that bad boy out to the blueberry market. There we go. Excellent. Now we're going to slowly watch everything turn against us and go into drawdown. Fingers crossed that doesn't happen. I'm just going to look at funny memes right now. Distract myself so I don't pay attention to the pips going up and down. Alright. Looks like we're out of the Euro AUD trade. The other ones look pretty close. Everything except for EURNZD. Okay. EURCHF, nice. Oh yeah, we still have the second position on EURCHF. Euro AUD. Jeez. These are coming in too fast and furious. 1336 on Euro AUD. EURCHF. I can't do the math on that. 7.86 plus 8.09. I could probably do the math on that. I just don't want to. 15.95. And then EUROCAD, still waiting on that sucker. So we're gonna exit this guy, clock these two. EURCAD is so close. He's like half a pip away. Oh my goodness. Man, I seriously misjudged the lot size on him. That's fine. So EURCHF 15.95, good. EURUSD 14.9. EURAUD 13.36. Looks good. Gonna plug this bad boy in. So my laptop's running out of juice. Okay. Alright, so we've so far already made our percent in a bit. We're actually almost at 2% with these two trades. We're probably going to be at 2.5%, which is nice. On the day, let's just quickly see if there's anything else worth getting into. And you does not look like it yet. So we're still in this guy. We're still in this guy. So these two are still in. We're out EuroCHF. We're out EuroAUD. We're out EuroU. Cool. So we will just let these guys sit and stew just a little bit longer. Hopefully they both close relatively soon. That would be nice. Looks like EURCAD just closed. Lovely. Took forever. And that is, yeah, definitely under leveraged the EuroCAD trade. It is what it is. 7.67. And now we just have this guy. So it looks like he's about halfway to take profit. Which is nice. Alright. Not a bad quick start to the day. We're 45 minutes in. We've gone into 5 trades. Four trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. And we've hit the profit on 4 of them already. So, pretty good start to the day. Again, we're just gonna let this guy play out. If he starts to go back up against us, again, we can just add another position. Look to get in on a second position as price starts to come up to this 779 level. Otherwise, I am just going to chill here. What book am I reading, you may ask? I'm reading the Witcher series. Specifically on Tower of Swallows, which I think is the 3rd or 4th book in the main series. Looks to be the 6th book. Lady the Lake and Season of Storms are the 2 books after this. Let's have a quick gander back to the charts again. Okay, let's see. Looks like we could have snagged a lot more profit on quite a few of those guys, but that is okay. Not super worried. Can't say there's too much that looks like it's going on here. Again, if this guy goes up, we could get into another sell on GBPNZD. So I'm just actually going to put, see myself getting in a little lower too, actually. Getting in right around here, around these guys. So we'll throw a little alarm here at 21.43. All right. So if price comes up here, we're probably looking to get into a sell at 208.15. Otherwise, we're still just in the previous trade. Looking a little laggy. Hopefully the mic's picking up my sound. It looks like it is. That's good. Let's see. Yeah, lots of sideways here. Don't think I'm looking to trade these guys today anyways. The indices or anything. EURNZD still kind of cruising about halfway, so let's put up our limit order for GBPNZD. I think we're going, whoa, I need to look at that guy again. GBPNZD, what are we looking at? 208.150, and we're looking to snag about 20 pips. Quickly run on this guy. That looks good to me. $28.15, and we go for 207.95. Nice. There we go. Alright, so we have that limit order set. Perfect. Let's just leave EURONZD on for now, and we'll get back to reading. Okay, let's quickly go through everything again. It looks like it's getting quite laggy at this point in time, so I may hop off the stream. I could definitely see myself getting into a sell as price comes up here. Getting into a sell as price comes up here. We already have this position ready and set. Price may never get up there by the end of the day. That's okay. What are we at time wise? I can't tell. It's just a little too laggy for my liking at this point. I wish I could stream for a little longer, but doesn't seem to be the case. For any and all of these trades, I'm quite content to get into a secondary position on quite a few of them. So for example, EURCAD here, if price comes up here again, I'm happy to get into a second sell. EURCHF, same thing, price comes up, get into a sell. EURAUD, yep, I would get into a sell. EURUSD, I would get into a sell. AUDCHF, I would get into a sell up here if price were to come up right around these treetop levels, say 50875. Probably aim for about 6 pips, maybe even a little less, maybe bring it up a little higher, get in at 8 and get out down here for 6 pips. So that could be something. I think that's about it. AUDNZD, yeah, I could get into a sell up here again. I don't think we need the whole 12 pips for price to come all the way down. I think I'd be happy to scalp. Actually, about 10 pips would be fine for me. Get in at 470. There we go. Bring this guy up so he's a bit more noticeable. Let's see, GN. Right, okay. Okay, so we are in NZD. We're waiting for this to pick a direction and go. Any of these other euro pairs, we could easily get into a sell where price to come back up again. AUDCHF, we're looking to get into a sell if price comes up. AUDNZD, we're looking to get into a sell if price comes up. And GBPNZD, looking to get into a sell as price comes up. That is it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Gonna be back at it again tomorrow. I don't think the trades will come that fast and that profitable again tomorrow. Typically, that's the first time that's happened. So yeah. Cheers. Thanks for watching.